Hi friends, Gary Sayre here with Sayre & Associates. With more normalcy in the world, it seems like we're coming into a more calmer real estate market. What does this mean for you if you're looking to buy or sell a home? Let's dive into the numbers and find out. In June, we saw steady but calmer listing and sales activity, a shift back from the record-breaking sales activity that we saw earlier this spring. On the demand side, there were just over 3,700 homes sold, a 54% increase over May of last year, and a 12% decrease over last month, where 4,200 homes sold. On the supply side, we saw 5,849 homes sold in June, an 18% decrease over this May, and a 1% increase over this time last year. This brings the total active listings supply to 10,839 homes, a 5% decrease compared to June of 2020 and a 1% decrease compared to last month. To the supply and demand in our market, we looked at the sales to active listings ratio. The balance is what determines price fluctuations. When this ratio dips below 12%, prices decline. If it goes above 20%, it puts us in a seller's market. Right now, we are sitting at 35%, down from 39% last month. By property type, the ratio is 27.5% for detached homes, 49.2% for townhomes, and 37.1% for condos. The benchmark price for all residential properties is $1,175,100, a 14.5% increase over last year and a 0.2% increase over last month. Even though home sales and listings are slightly down, from the record-breaking numbers we saw earlier this year, we are still in a strong, steady seller's market. So what's in store for our market as COVID restrictions continue to ease? Well, there's two schools of thought. One is that we see a repeat of the roaring 1920s post-pandemic economy, where people let loose and spend on big-ticket items like cars, real estate, etc. Two, that as restrictions lift, people's focus go from their home to wanting to do things like long-awaited travel, and that we see a calming in the market. What's my prediction, you ask? I personally think both are true, and I believe that people will want to spend like never before, but as travel restrictions ease, people will want to get out of town, and the focus will go from home to travel, which may calm the market somewhat. So if you're looking to sell, sooner might be better than later. If you're looking to buy, waiting might not be a bad idea, but it's a bit too soon to predict that. Keep in mind, open borders will bring renewed immigration, which will likely stimulate the market again. With the market constantly changing, the right strategy makes all the difference. Let's connect and put us to work for you.